Join MTA International from the 7th to the 9th of August 2020 as we bring you a special repeat broadcast of the addresses of Hazrat Khalifatul Masih V, may Allah be his helper, from last year's UK Jalsa Salana, as well as Huzur's Jalsa addresses from around the globe. MTA will broadcast live programs and links from around the world, including interviews and studio discussions with special guests. We will also bring you highlights from last year's studio discussions and documentaries in Arabic, English and Urdu. Don't miss this special broadcast starting from Friday the 7th of August. आ गए हैं परवाने।